Hello everybody, this is part 3 of our Android Studio series. Please watch the previous 2 episodes if you haven't done it already, because we are continuing the project we made in those 2 videos, and you might not understand what we are doing in this video if you didn't watch the previous videos. So as promised, in this video we are going to make a local login system by utilizing intents and a toasty. And we will also learn how we can send small messages by using the toasty. So yeah, as promised, we will look into the coding part of the app we designed in the last episode. Here we are going to be making the window we will get after logging in by using another activity. So for this video we will name this the activity workshop. this activity creation process is very similar to the process we used to create the activity in the first videos. So if you haven't watched it, I really recommend you go back and watch it and come back again. And also don't forget to comment any improvement tips for us and your thoughts on this video so we can keep improving the quality of our content. In this part you should pay a lot of attention because we will be using our intents and we will be programming how we switch them after we log in. So you should carefully watch what we are typing, and you should type it on your code as well and see and try to understand how the intents and switching between intents work. So you could see how whenever we press the button to log in, no matter if we type a username and password or not, it just continues to the next intent. So here we will be making a validating system where it checks for a specific username and password. Here we will be using a hard-coded username and password which we type inside the code itself. But don't worry, in the next episode uh, we will use the Firebase database given by Google to store a username and password there and fetch it from there to validate in the application. So if you want to get that video right after it gets published, you can subscribe to our channel and turn all notifications on. So here we are programming the if statement to check if the username and the password is correct before letting them login in. So here after typing the if statement, if our condition is not true, which in this case if the username and password is wrong, we will have to do an action. So we are programming the else statement for that. So we are trying to notify the user if the username and password is wrong. So we will be using Android Studio's messaging system, but the messaging system in Android Studio is called a toasty. So there are few types of toasties in Android Studio, but we will be using the simplest one here. But don't worry though, as we are continuing through the series, you will get to know the other types of toasties as well. So follow along with our series until it's over. So that was it for today's video, and we are planning to connect Firebase to our app and use credentials we save in the Firebase database for this login system in the next episode. So follow along in that episode, and please show your support to us by subscribing and sharing this with friends. Have a nice day.